Women hate that word, power. I love that word, power. Let me tell you why. Power is influence. Do we as women need to have influence? Absolutely. Right now, only 15%, and I know them all, of our state legislatures are women. Is that a problem? Absolutely. There is a big problem. Women think differently than men. We just do. We care about things. We care about society more. We care about issues with our children more. We care about healthcare. We care about education. Men, they kind of care about those, but they're thinking more about roads and stuff like that. Although we do still have a lot of potholes. But, but because we have less legislators than most states, we do not have voices of women at the table, and therefore we have less funding going to education. We have less, I'm on a soapbox, aren't I? We have less funding going to education to benefit our kids, less funding go to social problems to help poverty and rape victims and all kinds of things. It's because we don't have women at the table who have a different perspective and will have confidence to say, that's not right. We need more money going into these programs to help society. We love the men. You know, if we only had women down there, we'd have problems too. The point is we need men and women.